Hey there! So, let's dive into this interesting problem you might encounter while trying to create a shell script shortcut in the Shortcuts app on macOS. The issue arises when attempting to hide folders by running a specific script, but encountering an error message stating that the file couldn't be saved in the Documents folder. Frustrating, right? You try different approaches like adjusting the input settings and tweaking the script, but nothing seems to work. Well, let's unravel this dilemma together and find a solution that works like a charm. Now, let's focus on the solution to this pesky problem. The key here lies in handling the input properly for the run shell script action. To ensure the script processes the input correctly, you'll need to iterate through each item in the list. By using a for loop to loop through the items and applying the flags hidden command to hide each folder, you can tackle the issue at hand efficiently. Remember, setting the receive action to ask for folders if there's no input can also streamline the process. By implementing this thoughtful approach, you'll pave the way for a smoother experience when running the script to hide those pesky folders. In summary, we've explored a nifty solution to the folder hiding dilemma on macOS through the magic of shell scripting. By carefully handling the input and utilizing a for loop to process each item, you can efficiently hide those unwanted folders with ease. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized digital space. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a witty comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scripting!